Hello, viewers. Welcome back to Huxtello iTech. I'm Jess, and today, we're diving into the latest developments regarding the demands and struggles of the pre-tertiary education unions in Ghana. The recent court order may have brought an end to the strike by the Ghana National Association of Teachers, NAT, the National Association of Graduate Teachers, NAGRAT, and the Coalition of Concerned Teachers Ghana, CCTGH, but their fight for teachers' rights and allowances continues. These unions are advocating for three key allowances that are long overdue and require an upward review to ensure fair compensation for public sector educators. Let's take a closer look at their demands. Firstly, the unions are pushing for an increase in the Continuous Development Allowance, CDA, from 1,200 Ghanaian cedis to 3,000 Ghanaian cedis annually. This adjustment aims to allocate more resources to professional educators for their continuous development, benefiting both the education system and learners. Secondly, there's a proposal for a 20% basic pay allowance for teachers accepting postings to remote and deprived areas. This incentive seeks to address staffing shortages in these regions and recognize the dedication of educators who accept challenging postings. Lastly, the unions are advocating for up to a 15% increase in various allowances, including rent, transport, and utility subsidies. This adjustment aims to alleviate financial burdens faced by teachers while performing their duties. Progress is being made in discussions between the unions and government representatives on these critical issues. Efforts are underway to address backlogs in salaries, draft schemes of service for the pre-tertiary education sector, and resolve other outstanding concerns raised by the unions. In closing, it's crucial for all public school educators to rally behind the efforts of these teacher unions in their fight for fair compensation and improved working conditions. Let's support their initiatives to ensure that our educators are valued and empowered in their roles. Thank you for tuning in to Huxtello iTech. I'm Jess, signing off until next time. Remember, united we stand for the welfare of our teachers and the future of education in Ghana.